साथ साथ लोगों की गैप और यस प्लीज एवरीवन मैम थोड़ा सा इधर हो जाओ ऑसम प्लान पड़ रहा है अभी अभी ये यस प्लीज वन मोर यस
Good evening, friends. We're at the Imperial at the Art Carrot jewelry show. This is the launch of Modi Gold. It's a soft launch. We have Samir Gupta ji. Am I right?
Yeah,
Yes, Samir Gupta ji. We have, it's a kind of a startup, and they are into healthy Vita tea and into cookies as well.
and
So
we have
we'll
got
talk
a
about
range.
this.
Yeah, we have got three range of products. One is of course Haldi Vita tea, which is herbal, which is absolutely herbal, and with spices. So I mean, this is like a blend. And the other one we've got cookies. They are also herbal cookies with chocolate cookies with Giloy. We have got ashwagandha cookies. We have got five different types of cookies, and then we have got Haldi Vita dietary mix, which is like kind of antioxidant health booster. This comes from a very special turmeric which is grown in a very limited quantity in Chamoli district in Uttarakhand. So this product is all they are all turmeric based products which we have started about 2 years back, and I mean basically we wanted to provide a lifestyle product to people for to improve their health and also to develop their taste. Simultaneously, I must tell you, we are working very closely with farmers in
Yes, that's what I
Uttarakhand.
wanted to know. That you said it's going to be a boon for the farmers in that area in Jamoli.
Absolutely.
Uttarakhand, since it's a hilly area, so what kind of farmers are you like? What are they cultivating? Sir?
See, Uttarakhand is a very difficult terrain, and these farmers are marginal farmers who have got very small land holding. So we are working along with these farmers and growing different herbs and picking up the herbs from there. So we do a lot of charity work for the farmers, right from providing the seeds, right to the providing them with organic fertilizers and also pesticides, organic pesticides. And this particular haldi takes about 18 months to grow. That's why it's called Budi Haldi also.
Okay. And you said this is a black haldi?
No, this is not black haldi.
Black haldi is different.
Black haldi is different. So this is grown there, and we support the farmers all the 18 months periodically, so that their capital doesn't get tied up.
Okay.
So, and we are also
So it's an
providing support.
initiative to support the farmers, have their livelihoods come up, the incomes they should generate. You buy it from them, is it?
Yeah, we buy from them. It's like a kind of a contract farming. And this was the purpose of starting it. I mean, to support the farmers. And then we realized that we need cash flows for that. So we converted that particular turmeric into products which are easily sellable. And we are very particular about the quality, very particular, I would say. And we are now exporting to 18 countries, and we have got a lot of patrons in India also who not only donate to support the farmers, but they will also pick up a product. These product what we sell is kind of a part of that money goes to support the
So
farmers.
I'll take a break. You be here. I'll pick up. Can we have some products? This is one product. If you just hold this 1 minute, I'll just check if it's going fine. Yeah. 1 second, sir.
This is one of the
So this
products.
is the product, Sir Samiti is introducing. Yes. So we can tell about this.
Yeah, this is one of the products, and we have got four variants in Haldivita Dietary Mix. And this is the variant in which we have used five different kinds of haldi. And we have got Lakadong, we have got Swarna Haldi, we have got Black Haldi, and so on and so forth. And this is a very powerful combination, and the way the ingredients have been adopted, they are to increase the health impact on people.
So this is going to be meant for normal intake, or is it only like a supplement for sportsmen, or is it for children, growing children? So is it for all ages?
Yeah, this could be for all age groups.
Okay. How do you mean when somebody wants to consume this? So does he take it in milk or does he take it in water? Was it warm or cold? Sir?
You can have it in milk, you can have it with water. Milk could be like soya milk, it could be almond milk, it could be normal. Vegan people are having it in soya
This
milk.
is not a sweetened.
No, this is not sweetened. We put very little jaggery because jaggery has got its own role to play. Okay, we don't put refined sugar, but we put a little bit of
What
jaggery.
sort of shelf life does it have?
It's normally 12 months.
It's good 12 months?
12 months.
Okay. And does it affect the weather? Like, suppose we are in the northern part, so with summers, winters, and the rainy season, when you have Bonvita or certain products, when you open them, they get oxidized.
No, they don't.
This does not.
Haldi itself is considered to be a preservative.
It's a preservative. All right. So this is one product, and I'll just pick up your other product. Do we have one? So take this. This will be a little easier to for the viewer.
And we have got 7 different varieties of tea. And then we have got these cookies, which are 5 different varieties we have got. So, I mean, the total range is like I just mentioned, 4 different variants of Haldi Vita Dietary Mix, 7 different variants of Haldi Vita tea, and 5 different variants of Haldi Vita cookies.
And Samiti, we wanted to know that since you said you're exporting to 18 countries, so one is through the non-trade channels, you set up distribution points, and you also have e-commerce site, or is it available on other, brothels, etc.?
Right now, it's available on haldivita.com, HALDIVITA.com, and it's also there on, one can place orders there. We are also available in about 5,000 different stores all over India, but not in all the stores. So in selected stores we are there, and we are also there on Amazon.
You're there on Amazon?
Yeah, except for the tea. I mean, the other 2 products are there. Tea we will be introducing very
So
soon.
we just wanted to tell the viewer that if you want to sample this product, so you can go around the stores where you live, and maybe you can search. You can search on haldivita.com website.
Absolutely.
So they'll be able to guide you where to buy. And so we'd also lastly about the pricing, because when the viewer is watching, then he wants to know what is the kind of price you have. So what is the price for the cookies, and it's how many grams?
Cookies, it's like, I mean, we have got 60 grams cookies, which cost about 45 rupees,
Okay,
which
so
is
it's
very
reasonable, yeah.
very, very competitive in the market. We don't want to
Something
make it
below 50 or
unaffordable.
below 100, so people don't mind, picking up.
Absolutely.
And so what about your, these are sachets, I see.
Yeah, they're
This is
10 rupees
single-
each.
single
Single
kind
sachet
of-
is about 10 rupees.
So one for one person.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
okay.
exactly.
And we see so many flavors. So what are these flavors? One is haldi.
Nettle tea is there, chamomile is there, rhododendron is there, amla is there, then tulsi is
I
there,
haven't
green
heard
tea
of
is there.
amla because normally at these 5-star luxury hotels they have so many other brands, Jasmine and so many. But then amla I haven't heard. And amla, is it from the natural extract?
Natural. Everything is natural. We don't use preservatives in any of our products.
So you have this tea. You would have tea leaves as well as the amla.
Exactly.
Both. Is it a
And
combination?
herbs. Absolutely.
Okay, great. So I think this is something new which we brought to you today, and we hope this company as a startup and it grows up. Like now, the word is unicorn, and then marketing. As you people are going to like it and buy and give it to friends and get into your parties, have tea parties, because you can always cheers with a cup of tea also. So thank you, Samiri. It's nice talking to you.
Thanks,
Bye.
Sandeep.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I'll just switch off the mic. Yeah.